In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your bills using Xero. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or new to financial management software, understanding how to handle bills in Xero can streamline your workflow and enhance your organizational skills. Let's kick things off by logging into your Xero account. Make sure you enter your credentials securely and access your dashboard. Once you're in, the home interface will display a range of tabs designed to help you navigate your financial activities. For our purpose today, direct your attention to the Purchase tab located on the toolbar. The Purchase tab is your gateway to managing expenses. And today, we're going to delve into how you manage your bills there. Clicking on the Purchase tab will reveal an expanded menu. From there, select Bills to Pay. This section is pivotal in keeping track of your accounts payable. It presents a detailed snapshot of all pending bills, allowing you to stay on top of your outgoing expenses. Now, to enter a new bill, look for and click on New Bill. This action will open up a form where you can input the details of the bill you wish to record. By handling this process systematically, you ensure you're maintaining accurate records of your financial obligations. As you enter this section, you'll notice your Xero email address displayed prominently. This email address serves as a specialized feature designed by Xero to streamline how you receive bills. The idea is simple yet effective. Any bill forwarded to this email will automatically appear in your Xero account, ready for you to process. It's a neat feature to prevent your inbox from overflowing while keeping financial documentation organized and easily accessible. Therefore, it's a great idea to copy the Xero email address. Save it as a contact in your email account. This little step will enable you to effortlessly forward bills from your email directly into Xero. It's a real time saver, especially for businesses that deal with numerous transactions and digital invoices. So there you have it. By following these steps, you're ensuring you're on top of your bills and maintaining a structured financial overview within Xero. Remember, it's these small, intentional practices that can make managing your finances a breeze and help you avoid last-minute scrambling. We've walked through accessing your bills section, entering a new bill, and efficiently using your Xero email to manage invoices. With these tools at your disposal, managing your finances can be a seamless, stress-free process. Enjoy your newfound efficiency with Xero, and thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or tips you'd like to share with our community.